Hi, John and Jill and everyone with Mitchell Lawn and Landscape. My name's Christian. I'm with Ringen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services like Home Advisor and Angie's List. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you and not handed out to 3 or 4 different contractors. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to try and make this short. I'm sure you guys are busy. 3 things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. Google loves content. The more content you have, the more relevant you're going to appear, the more visible search engines are going to make you, and the more easy it's going to be for customers to find you. So content isn't just the words on your website, though. It's also the photos on your website. It's also what's behind the photos, how the photos are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. So I do see you guys got to have a nice website laid out here. Nice picture. I love this picture, by the way. But I'm not sure how much value this website's bringing you. So the minimum number of words you want on any page you're trying to rank is 1,500. So let's go to your lawn and landscape page. Very simple. I would say no more than 150 max on this entire page, if that, maybe only 100. You're going to want 1,500. This is on your services for lawn and landscape. 1,500 words minimum. Let's go to plant and tree, okay? Again, maybe 100 words. So the thing to keep in mind is, like I said, 1,500 words minimum. Also, how your photos are saved matters. Google and all these search engines read from the back end how your photos are saved. So other than looking good, you want them to also be bringing you value by being picked up by these search engines and shown to customers. So 1,500 words minimum on any of these pages you're trying to rank. And then obviously how your photos are saved, all your photos. And those are just 2 pretty easy things you can do yourself. And so the next thing is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. These directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All these directories give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you rank in this map pack. As you can see, I typed in Dogawak, Michigan landscapers. Okay, we got Greenway, Steel and Sons, and MTL Lawn Services. You're not here. This is where you want to be. You're a landscaper in Dogawak. This is where you want to be. Okay. You guys are 7th position, so you are on the main page here, but you're not in the map pack. And then obviously by the time they get to you, they've already had these options for everybody else to cut beforehand. But as you can see, you are on the first page, so I do congratulate you on that. Also, I typed in Dogawak lawn care. We got Matt's Lawn Care, Greenway Quality Lawn Care, and MTL Lawn Services. So you can see you're not in the map pack here, but yet your Facebook page is actually pulling up number 1. So your Facebook page is bringing you more power than your website when it comes to lawn care and Dogawak. And I'm sorry if I'm not saying Dogawak right. I'm from Jackson, so we're south of you guys. Actually, I'm not sure where Dogawak is, but is it Dowagiac? I don't know, but we're in Jackson. So we got Matt's Lawn Care, Greenway, and MTL. This is where you want to be. You want to be in the map pack. And as you can see, your website's obviously not bringing you much value because your Facebook page is pulling up first. And then, again, yes, you are in the 8th position, so you are here. But, okay. Next, I have your Google My Business page pulled up here. A couple things I want to point out. 12 reviews with a 4.6. So that's definitely something to hold your head high to. Definitely something to be proud of. Just keep pushing those. So we recommend 25 reviews minimum. So just keep pushing those reviews. 25 minimum, but the 4.6 definitely something to be proud of. Also the photos. So photos are very important, like we've been saying. You want to have 10 minimum, which it looks like you guys have well above 10. So the thing to remember is just how you have those photos saved is very important. So you want to make sure that all your photos are saved as buyer intent keywords because, like I said, search engines read how your photos are saved. So other than looking really good on this Google My Business page, you want it to actually bring you value. So that has to do with your Google My Business. So 10 photos, which you have, make sure they're all saved properly. and then these reviews, and that'll help you rank up in your Google My Business page. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the internet that mitchellllawncare.com is at. So anywhere that your domain can be found on the internet is going to give you a backlink. You guys have 3 backlinks from 3 referring domains, but yet your domain rating is a 4.7 out of 100. So that's the reason why you're not being found. Your website isn't being found because your domain rating is low. So the fact that you only have 3 backlinks is actually a blessing right now because you don't have a bunch of them to go through and remove. So when you're getting your backlinks, the thing to remember is you want your backlinks to be coming from sites that are relevant to what you do and sites that aren't spammy. So that's going to bring you power. That's going to bring value to the customers. That's what's going to get you to the top. So backlinks. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs. I'm sure there's others out there. It gives a lot of information on your website. Either way, you're going to want to get yourself some valuable backlinks and just make sure to get them from the right places. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you find the time to implement these tips and tricks in your video to bring yourself some lead volume this upcoming season. If you have any questions or comments, feedback, feel free to get in touch with us, please. And thank you very much for watching.